Alright, let's just get right into it. Why should you even care about managing your money? The answer is simple: control. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will find its own way out of your pocket. Think of your income as a team of employees. If you don't give them jobs to do, paying rent, buying groceries, investing for your future, they'll wander off to that new smartphone you saw, or that expensive coffee you don't really need. Personal finance isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. It's the difference between wondering where your paycheck went and knowing exactly where every dollar is working for you. Money management isn't only for the rich. It's even more critical when you're starting out. It's the foundation for everything. Without a plan, you'll live paycheck to paycheck and never get ahead. It's about simple, repeatable actions that put you in the driver's seat.
So you see, it's just gonna put you in the back seat when you don't invest well about your money and your income. So let's keep watching the video and listening to this.
Okay, so we agree that managing money is important. The first, most crucial step is creating a budget. I know, budget sounds restrictive and boring, but let's reframe that.
Here he tells you that a budget isn't a restriction for money, it's a plan for your money. So you have to understand that your money is going where you plan it to go. So let's just focus more and more about this video, okay?
A restriction. It's a plan for your money. You're the CEO, giving your money specific jobs. You're not saying you can't spend, you're telling money how it will serve you. So, how do you start? For 1 month, track every single dollar you spend. Don't change habits, just observe. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a free app. Anything works. Record everything from rent and car payment to that pack of gum. At month's end, you'll see clearly where money goes. You'll find surprises, like takeout or unused subscriptions. Then build a real budget with the 50-30-20 rule. Review monthly, adjust, and learn. It's your roadmap from where you are to where you want to be. This is where the rubber meets the road. Needs versus wants. It sounds simple, but many get it wrong, and it costs them. A need is required to survive and work. Core shelter, basic food, essential utilities, transportation to your job. These are non-negotiables. Everything else is a want. Nice, but not essential. Daily latte, latest phone, extra subscriptions, fancy restaurants. Need food versus 5-star meals, a way to work versus a luxury car, clothes versus brand-name closets. Distinguishing them is a superpower. Wants are flexible. Cut there first to save or pay debt. Highlight needs one color, wants another. Prepare to be shocked. Redirect wants to goals. Debt-free, house, control, simple, effective. Now let's talk about my favorite topic, saving money. Most people save last, and nothing's left. Flip the script. Pay yourself first. First bill after payday is your savings. Move a set amount into a separate savings account. It prioritizes your future and forces you to live on the rest. Send $300? Make the remainder cover life. Out of sight, out of mind works. Use a high-yield savings account, not your checking. Earn higher interest while your cash waits. Separation prevents dipping into it. First goal, build an emergency fund. It's for true emergencies. Save 3 to 6 months of essentials. Your safety net. Paying yourself first unlocks security. Debt feels like a weight holding you back. You can get rid of it. List every debt, creditor, balance, interest rate. Include everything. Knowledge is your first weapon. Choose your strategy. Pay the smallest off, then roll that payment forward. Build momentum, or target highest interest to save the most money. Do you need wins or efficiency? Be aggressive. Cut spending or add income and dedicate it. Imagine cash flow when payments disappear. Redirect to investments, a home, or a dream trip. Getting out of debt buys back your future income. It's one of the most powerful moves you can make. Knowing is one thing. Doing it consistently is everything. It all comes down to habits. Wealth is hundreds of small choices repeated. Start small. Make it easy. Automate. Automation removes willpower from the equation. Pay yourself first automatically. Automate savings, investments, and extra debt payments. Set it and forget it. Do a quick Sunday review of spending. Catch issues early and course correct. Reward progress. Smart, proportional treats. Tie pleasure to good behavior to reinforce. Small systems compound into real wealth. Build the habit, and it will carry you when motivation fades. We've covered a lot: budgeting, saving, crushing debt, building habits. The journey starts with a single step, today. Every day you wait is lost progress. You don't need perfect, just begin. First, download a budgeting app or open a spreadsheet. Connect your accounts and track. Second, open a high-yield savings account and schedule a $25 transfer next payday. Third, list every debt with balance and interest rate. Then pick Snowball or Avalanche. These 3 steps are the foundation that changes your path immediately. It's a marathon. You'll make mistakes. Just get back on track. Progress, not perfection. You're buying freedom from stress, from debt, toward the life you want. Take the first step today. Your future self will thank you for it.